transport built for 3?
You mean it could maybe take us
home? Mom. Let's get back to Era.
Wait up!
Right behind you.
Danger! Genie must warn.
Oh, no, wait! No, come back!
Where did it go?
If only we'd been 10.03 nanoseconds speedier.
Danger! Lake frozen.
I can take a little cold.
Since when?
Since never. Prolonged exposure to temperatures such as this will lead inevitably to his loss of speech, internal atrophy, and eyeball explosion, followed by eventual slow, painful rot failure.
I'm right here.
Well, maybe you shouldn't be.
What? No! Look!
Again? Seriously? Oh, another one! But we have no data on who's flying these things.
What if they're hostile?
This is unknown to Genie.
But please, we have to try. Mom.
Oh no! Roo's underlying lava veins have turned to ice. As it hardens, he will literally crack up.
Not helping. What is it? Mom?
Mom.
Mom.
Poor Roo. He misses his mother.
Come on!
We'll carry you. Easy. Easy does it. Nearly there, Roo. Roo!
Can Roo core and restore?
Negative, Genie.
But maybe we can. Oh, Era fair, your mother dear is calling.
Ice War will roar!
Who dares tread on hollowed ice?
We come in peace. Our friend is sick.
Oh, we just want to go home to Era. Oh, we saw the transports and,
Transports? You mean my babies?
Of course, they're eggs.
I send them in gas bubbles up to their father for safekeeping in the forest until spring comes.
now we'll never get home. I didn't mean any offense.
Never fear, it's just more babies.
Woohoo!
Oh! 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 Ah!
You're a mom? Oh.
Yes, I am.